So Python program to perform basic arithmetic operations. For basic arithmetic operations, we need two numbers. And here the program is based on the symbol. Look at line number 1. Enter operation. So if you enter plus, addition, minus, subtraction, and so on. Line number 2 and 3, you are reading two numbers and the variables num1, num2. Look at the if condition, line number 5. If operation is equal to plus, then print num1 plus num2. Elif, look at elif. If it is minus, num1 minus num2. If it is multiplication, num1 multiplied by num2. If it is division, we are checking again for denominator not equal to 0. If num2 not equal to 0, then num1 by num2. If the denominator is 0, you get a message, division by 0. If your option is other than those symbols, then you get a message, invalid operation. In these type of programs, the variables can be anything. Instead of num1, num2, you can use x and y. Instead of operation, you can use choice or any other variable name. So look at the input and output on the right side. The operation is multiplication. So first number is 12 and second number is 23 and the output is 276. A simple program to perform basic arithmetic operations.